Sometimes relaxing in bed can be a real pain. But this adjustable base allows you to customize comfy lounge and sleep positions. The wireless remote comes with pre-programmed positions, or customize one of your own. Relieve stress with dual massage motors and 3 levels of intensity. You deserve it. Keep your devices charged with convenient built-in USB ports. Underbed LED lighting. Nice! The best part? Easy, no tools required assembly. Just unfold it and customize the height with screw-on adjustable legs. Then, simply plug it in and experience comfort made just for you. Lounge, rest, sleep.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product previews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.